Recently I was called by a woman who's the father of her child had died as a result of the wrongful conduct of another individual and the negligence of the company that that person worked for. So she, rightfully so, was questioning, could she bring a claim for the wrongful death of her child's father? Well, in Georgia, there's a statutory scheme. There are laws that establish who is allowed to bring the claim when someone has died as a result of the negligence of others. That's going to be set up by statute, and there are different claims. But the one type of claim was what we refer to as a survivor claim. If someone is married, the spouse is the one who can bring that claim. If that person has children and the spouse is alive, the spouse brings it on behalf of himself or herself and on behalf of the children. If a person has children but was not married at the time of their death, then the children are the ones who have the claim. Of course, if they're minors under the age of 18, they need to have someone, a legal representative, bringing that claim on their behalf. If someone dies and they do not have, they weren't married at the time of the death and they don't have any children, but their parents are alive, then the parents have the claim. If you die and someone dies and they don't have parents who are living, they weren't married, they don't have children, then the claim may pass to their siblings. So it gets a little complicated. It's all established by law. At the end of the day, there is always someone who owns the claim and can pursue the claim on behalf of the person who has passed away. And then, of course, there's also a claim for the estate of the person who died. An estate is something that is set up through a court process. You need a lawyer to help you get that set up. There's someone who's appointed by the court to represent the estate, and the estate has a separate claim that's part of the whole wrongful death claim. So there are different people who ultimately can pursue different claims. It's all established by law here in Georgia. If you have any questions, please call us. We'll be happy to answer your questions, any questions that you may have about a wrongful death claim here in Georgia, and to help you as best as we can.